so now we're going to weld. We got all the pieces together here. We're going to weld these all together. I've got the arrow there already for where I'm going to weld and cut. So we line all these up, and we look straight down, take our hacksaw blade, give it a score, snap it off, put your blow hose on, clean the phosphorus, put a cork in this one. So I would do this in my Crossfire, but it's out of camera. I need to set that up a little better. But this works just as good. I can personally make better welds with the hand torch, especially face welds. Had a hole I was blowing and it blew my flame out. I got it. So we make it nice and hot. Blow. Blow. Stretch. Back down to original size. There we are. Okay, so now we're going to make another weld here. Right there. You know what? I'm going to leave that label on there. I'm going to change that. There's the very end. I'm going to do it right there. So what we got to do is cut this one. On this 10 mil, it's so easy to cut, so it snaps real easy. I'm just going to cut this out of right here. So then I need a piece of tape. I have pieces under my table here. Poke a hole in it. Put your blow hose on. Get rid of that mark so you don't cut it by mistake. Wipe some phosphorus out. Bring our hand torch holder down. I'm going to put a little gas in my torch. This is lead-free glass, so your torch can be a little rich. It ain't going to turn nothing black. Leaded glass, a rich fire, meaning too much gas, will turn the weld black. This flame right here would turn leaded glass black. They took it out of leaded glass out of America like in 1920. 2020, no. 2001, somewhere in there, I don't know. Long time ago, but I still have quite a bit of leaded glass. The government mandated that anything with lead, paint, glass, has to be taken out. Their shoe. Now all I gotta do is weld on electrodes and pump it.